Hello everyone, welcome back again. I wish all of you is always well. So now I'm continuing to the loss number 2, what we can learn, and I also making here the little note. Okay, so the first lesson was we are in the middle of a strong trend, so don't expect will be the end of a trend in form of ranging or consolidation. Okay, because this will happen a continuation if we are in the middle of a trend, especially when the retracement happen in form of the doji. So there is the criteria why we are in the middle of a strong trend. Specific breakout. If happen on ranging, that's mean the influence of a higher time frame. Okay, has a pullback in form of manipulation. Fake breakout or reversal pattern will be failed. Okay, it has a pullback and then located in a strong trend area of BB line. Okay, so now we continue to the number 2. I don't see the chart yet, I forget the chart. Okay, so this was bearish small, same size upper and lower shadow. Okay, this is our brain like interpreting this like a weak candlestick. Okay, bearish small, same size. Okay, the candle was bearish, they have upper wick and a lower wick in the same size. Oh, this is small, it could be at the end of a trend. So yes, the problem was below 1 deviation lower BB. This is the area of a strong. Okay, so if you think the candle only, you will be lost like me. Okay, so let's learn together. So what my technique? Okay, my technique was of course reversal. Okay, because my brain thinking, oh, this is a weak candle, but I'm not thinking in the area. Okay, so again, what happening? CBB was kind of a middle. Okay, this is again we are in the middle. Look at in the middle. It should be has this kind of criteria. I like I mean not always like this. Maybe it can be a combination of this, and the default was this. Okay, this is not the end of a trend, especially here was a bearish, was a downtrend. This is not the end of a downtrend, and not even consolidation. Okay, so what is that? Let's see on the chart. Okay, so absolutely here against the minor trend. So let's see what is the date was 27 no 12 and option 2. Okay, still here, option 2. Look at that, the strong trend created by the trend change on higher time frame. Even here the EMA look like ranging, is not ranging. This is my first entry, my second entry. Look at that. Okay, and the weak level, which is 14.6. really, I don't thinking like that at that moment. Okay, look at micro level 14.6. it's like Bitcoin right now. Okay, Bitcoin is reaching 16,000 and will reaching 14,000. If this 14,000 is broken, then don't expect the Bitcoin will rise fast up. Okay, if this was broken, because this could be happening. But if this stand here above this, that maybe the chance for Bitcoin will be in ranging. Okay, because we don't know. So what happening here? Back again, this candle, look at that, 1 2 3 4 bearish. So my brain is like thinking bullish here. This is just not for bullish area below. Okay, until this kind of 1 deviation is broken. So this is basically no confirmation. Okay, we are in the strong area and it has what is the, this is the middle. Okay, if we think like this is the end of a trend, I'm sorry, If we thinking like this is the in the small size of trend, so this is the end of this is the middle of a trend, because the next will be continuation. Okay, so this happening a pullback. Okay, of course this is a pullback. You see here, at here we have learned this manipulation, okay. Why? Because this is a shooting star that is failed and it's not going up. Okay, if this was ranging, it should going up, and then why it's still going down? So this is, for me, is the category of pullback, and here was the continuation, and continuation. This is a trend of a pullback in a strong area of BB line. Okay, and then what else? The manipulation is there, the pullback is there, the rejection. Okay, this is sign of a, here we cannot trade here because this is manipulation. We don't know this is retracement or not, or maybe like this. Okay, if happen rejection, that means it's kind of manipulation in form of, yes, maybe look like the cloud cover, we say, sorry, piercing line, we can say that it's not working. Then rejection should be, this should be strong. Okay, to do a consolidation until here, or trend like this one. Okay, here till down. So let me see the time. Okay, we still have a time. That's happening, and then we are in the middle of a trend, and the level is weak. Okay, so 14.6 has been touched. Okay, we have to see that also. This is PAOL, which is price action that happened on the left. Okay, so this has been touched, 14 has been touched, so 14 is weak level that it will be broken, touching the round number. Okay, see here was the round number and happen a retracement, but this is in the micro level. This is still in the middle of a trend, so this is not a weak candle. When you see pullback in some kind of strong area, rejection from the strong BB line. Okay, so that's the reason why we lost, and we can learn now that what is the kind of middle of a trend or a strong trend, minor, especially this is minor. Okay, minor trend that they have a pullback, they have a failure of a manipulation, which is reversal, fake out. Okay, and then here it has some rejection, and then the level was weak, and then has been touched before retest. Okay, so simple. I will put it here in the lesson 2. Okay, so because the time is still there, so I will explain the next here, and then I will put it here. So now number 3, why I'm lost here. So gravestone doji, gray. Okay, this is the real gravestone doji. Okay, because no color. So you know, gravestone doji is like something to dig the land. Okay, the soil. So where is the location of the gravestone doji? At 2 deviation lower BB. This is same thing and doing same thing, resulting same thing. Okay, so I think I can get a make sense of this, but I don't know when I'm implementing this. It's still, my brain is reading the old self of mine, or I can think in the future. Okay, so this is TCHT again, so it's, I not need to read that again. I know what happening there. And then let's see in the chart directly. So 13 on the option 3. Okay, so we move here, option 3, this one, bam, look at that, ranging. Expected following the major, because we see the major, but The major is not really uptrend, right? This is 100 here, you see. It's major. The major was ranging, so here was kind of a little bit strong down. Okay, so what happening here? Let's see. Is this have a same? Okay, this data it's showing the same thing. Okay, at 2, at 2, at 2, at 2, CBB, reversal. So the clue that has been here, it has to be same like this one, at least the concept. Let me see. So it has a specific level. Yes, it has a EMA here. EMA 200 broken. This is broke. This is not so nice, but here confirm broken, could be. Okay, and here this rejection was not buying pressure. Okay, the level. Okay, again we have a level 14.6 which has been tested here or touch. Okay, and then we have this, we have a breakout, retracement. Yeah, the difference with the loss number one was here was a strong candle happening in the number one, but here is a weak. So this is forming consolidation. So right now we can learn about how the consolidation may perform itself. Okay, it will start with the weak candlestick in the strong downtrend. All right, so yeah, it could make sense, because if this was 14, it should be a strong here to continuing down to reach round number around here. I don't know, I think this is a not a good market, because look at that, the distance between the round number and the 14 is so high, so that means a low volume market. So what's happening? So this is kind of strong. Okay, in term of a small candle perspective, only 3 candle. Okay, so this is a breakout here happening. We are still in the middle of a trend, not in the end of a ranging. Even we see here ranging, is not. Okay, it still can be down if the here was a micro level like 13.8. Okay, but because this is still ranging follow minor downtrend, and yeah, this is not a buying pressure, not the end of a minor downtrend, because we have a level. Okay, here has been touched. This is not the strong level as a support 14. This is also retest twice. Okay, so yeah, it's still in the direction of a strong area of a BB line. Okay, what else? It has a pullback. Okay, a pullback should be like a fail manipulation. You see here, inverted bearish, what is this? Inverted bullish hammer. You see, what is this? This manipulation. Okay, it should going up if this was ranging. Why is it making a pullback? So this mean we are in the strong minor downtrend at a strong area. Okay, so look at that. It's a simple, right? Simple. This is all the combination. But so that's mean we are not in the downtrend. We are not in the consolidation. Okay, because of this pullback, and we are in the middle of the downtrend. After this, that means consolidation, because it's not making a bearish hammer or strong candle like this. So that's mean probability will change again here. If this candle was like this, don't do a call here, do a put, like the case number 1. So what we can learn here, we can learn how to identify we are still in the middle of a trend. Okay, and the second one, we can distinguish between the continuation of a trend and consolidation. Here was we in the consolidation, because the candlestick that is formed is weak. Okay, this was weak candlestick, not breaking this kind of specific SGI, and then we are still in the ranging. Okay, so we know we still in the middle of a trend, downtrend, minor downtrend, and then we now have identified how the consolidation may perform or reversal may perform when after the retracement of a, it should be strong minor downtrend. Okay, it's failed, then it could be a reversal here. This is reversal, or here consolidation, but here was reversal for me. So that is the lesson: how to identify the start of a consolidation, how to identify that we are still in the minor downtrend, in the middle of a downtrend, with the combination of the area and what happened before, like manipulation fail. Okay, so manipulation fail, that means it's not ranging. Even the EMA showing ranging, it's not ranging, especially 200 EMA was flat. Look at the case number 1. 200 EMA is also flat, right? Okay, so that, guys, so I think this is very useful for me, guys, because it can connect the data in my processing brain. Okay. Okay, sorry, that's it's kind of a joke. Okay, so thank you, guys. I will continuing the next part in the next video. Thank you.